Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Okay student, today is our lecture number 4 that is based on the topic Unit 18, the magic show. First of all, tell me, have you ever seen a magic show? Okay, if you have seen any magic show in your life, you have to discuss your experience with me, okay? In the form of voice in WhatsApp group. Okay students, so open your book, go to page number 91 and take out pencil also. Put your finger on the first line that start from last week there was. I have underlined the word. You also have to underline the difficult word, okay? Shall we start reading? Okay. Last week there was a magic show in our school. The children were very happy. The show was arranged in the hall. The show started at 9 o'clock. The magician came on the stage. He was wearing a long black coat and a hat and had a short stick in his hand. He showed several magic tricks. There was a big wooden box with a lid on it. He took off the lid. It was empty. The helper of the magician got into the box. The lid was put on the box and closed again. The magician cut the box with the saw in the middle. The box was cut into two pieces. The, li- the lid was removed. The helper was safe and sound. The helper got out of the box. It was amazing. The children shouted in wonder. Then the magician took his hat off. He showed the hat to everyone. It was empty. He put the hat on his head. After a minute or two, he took it off again. There was a rabbit sitting on his head. Everybody cheered. Then, moving to the next page, that is page number 92, then he showed his empty pockets to everyone. He borrowed a handkerchief from one of the students. He put away the handkerchief in his pocket and took it out again. There were handkerchiefs and handkerchiefs coming out of his pocket one after another. Everybody cheered the magician. After that, he borrowed a ring from someone. He put the ring on his palm. He closed the palm and opened it again. The ring was disappeared. The magician had many boxes inside each other, all tied up with a rope. The ring was in the innermost box. The whole crowd of the students cheered the magician. It was a wonderful show. The magician bowed and thanked everyone. Okay, student, this is the reading of your chapter. Here's an interesting information is given over here. Do you know that in the stories of magic world, following characters are usually found: a magic wand, a fairy, a magician. Okay, so moving to the next, open your notebook, ready your notebook page, put date, day, classwork, and draw margin line. And after drawing margin line, you have to write topic, the magic show, activity, dictation words. Okay, so dictation words are given over here. Let's have a look over there. Children, arrange, magician, several, tricks, wooden, empty, middle, lid, removed, amazing, shouted, wonder, short, hat, minute, rabbit, sitting, cheered, borrowed, handkerchief, disappeared, crowd, bone. These are the words that you have to write them on your notebook as dictation word, okay? So moving to the next activity, here the word meaning. You have to write words of the meaning, okay? So words are show, meaning, performance, arrange, meaning, put in order, magician, meaning, a person who can do magic tricks, several, meaning, some, not many, okay? Empty, meaning, vacant, removed, meaning, to take something away from a place, safe and sound, meaning, out of danger, cheered, meaning, show joy, borrowed, meaning, take a loan, palm, the inner side of the hand between the wrist and the finger, disappeared, meaning, vanished, whole, meaning, complete. Okay, students, you have to write dictation words and word meaning on your notebook neatly and nicely, okay? Take care, students. Allah Hafiz.